So first of all, select the text tool and then type some letters. I'm going to write the channel name of mine, which is TechyNet Corporation. So I'm writing it. Now we're going to change its size. I'm going to prefer 70 pixels because 12 pixels is very much small, and you can see now it's good. The font I use is Quantify. If you want that, you can go to .font.com and find that. So once you've got that, you're going to change the fill. So I want it to be red, so I am dragging it to red, and now it's red. But in the black background, it's looking a bit of dully, so we want a solid layer, which is white. So we go to solid, then go to fill, then go to white, which is 6 Fs in the HTML notation box, and click on OK. But the layer order isn't perfect, so we drag the text over it so that we can see it. And now it's looking really nice. So basically we are going to animate this. So we collapse it, and now we go to the position box, but we can also bring it by just hitting P over here. And now we are going to animate it with the stopwatches. So basically, to animate anything, we click on the stopwatch, and below it, for instance, if we want it to rotate, we click on the rotation R and then click on the stopwatch. So first of all, before we start animating, we want to select the start position, and the start position of the text should be outside of the screen if you want to fly it in, as this is the motive of the video. So drag it outside of the screen. I recommend holding shift while dragging so that it remains straight. After that, hit the stopwatch, and you can see a little golden diamond over there. That means that a keyframe has set. And after that, you do not click on the stopwatch, otherwise it will delete all the keyframes. You just need to change the position, and an auto keyframe will be set for it. So once we are a few frames ahead, the duration which you want for it to fly in, we are going to hold it and drag it with shift, and it's exactly straight. You can see the line, that's the line of animation. So now you can see with spacebar it's flying in. So basically you can do plenty of things with it. For instance, you can add twists and curves to the animation with you can change the trajectory at the path like I'm doing in. But first of all, make sure that you move the cursor a few frames ahead, or it will edit that keyframe only. So now it's looking like a curved train path it's going on. But there are even more advanced tricks. For instance, now we are seeing that it is not stopping at the second keyframe, and we can do that either by the graph editor, which we will discuss later, or by manipulating with keyframes again. So basically what you want to do now to make it stop at the second keyframe is you're going to go to the second keyframe. Okay, once you go to the second keyframe, okay, so you're going to click on Control C. I right clicked on it, sorry for that. You're going to go to Control C and then go a few frames ahead and then hit Control V so that it stops. Control V we hit, and now you can see it's like a 90-degree, and now it will stop. If we hit that, you can see that it's stopping at the second keyframe, like a 90-degree curl is happening. But now what we can do is that we want it to again fly out of the screen, and for doing that we will again manipulate with the keyframes. Okay, so for that we are again going to manipulate with the keyframes. So we drag it back. Okay, and now we take that keyframe, the last keyframe which we want. Always copy paste the last keyframe so that it also stays at the third position, and then we drag it outside, and then it's automatically a new keyframe which has been produced. First keyframe, second keyframe, third keyframe, and fourth keyframe. But we also have two keyframes. So if you liked, please like, share and subscribe.